Guys, have you ever feel so sweaty and so uneasy that this fan doesn't even to help solve the problem or at least ease the problem? Well, I did. I do live in the Philippines and the country is either extremely hot or extremely wet. There's only two seasons here in the Philippines. Either go for the summer season or it's just rainy season. There's no other season here. It's really freaking hot most of the time, especially during summer. Man, I can say that I have gone through all of those problems, sweatiness, especially you know that there's nothing you can do. It's really extremely hot. And today I'm going to share to you something that I bought online. And it's something that could at least help ease that problem of yours, like mine. Are you interested? Let me show you. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. And what I'm talking about is this one, this cool neck fan from JISULIFE. I bought it online and I was really excited that this is something new, something innovative, and I've seen a lot of neck fans out there, just the normal ones. Well, it doesn't even solve the problem. It's just blowing some wind on your neck and that's it. This one, it's a lot different. So what this is called is the ultimate bladeless neck fan from JISULIFE. You can see the brand is here and the product name is here. There's some Chinese characters over there since this is basically, I guess, made in China. So you can see other specs over here. There's English text and there's Chinese text. Well, I want to see what's inside this box, so let's open. Inside the box, we have a user guide, Type-C cable, and of course, the neck fan itself. So we simply just need to unwrap this. Just take off the packaging away. And we can see that there's a probably product safety label over here. Yeah, of course, so we just need to peel it off. First things first, I can say that this product is kind of light. It's around 310 grams and yeah, I can say that it's quite portable. One of the things that I like about this one is that it uses USB Type-C, which is here. Most of the other neck fans that I've seen, they are still using the micro USB port, which is kind of old technology. And another thing that I saw here is that there's a lot of holes out here. Many other brands only supports some holes over here which directly blow under your chin. But this one, it has a lot of other holes here which blows the surround of your neck, giving you that good sensation when you're wearing this one. And we can see that there's holes on the side and here on the other side, wherein these are air intake, which is coming off from a bladeless fan. Now, for product safety, I know that JISULIFE has made clear that this one will not suck in your hair at the very least, or probably tangle it. It's probably the worst thing that can happen to a woman, or maybe guys with long hair. And we also have an aluminum plate over here which can dissipate heat and blow it away at the back. We have two buttons over here, wherein one, it's the power button, and two, it's the wind control mode, wherein you have three modes over here which you can freely calibrate. Now, if you press the power button on startup for 2 seconds, it will give you the best possible performance out of this bladeless neck fan. Of course, I know that you would really want to cool yourself off the fastest moment possible, and this one, you can get it from this one. And I've been using this for quite 3 weeks already. And what I like about this one is that you can, well, freely adjust it since this is free moving, which is quite innovative. Let me read through some of the specs that I saw from their user guide here on their website. So it's hands-free, it is turbo, 360 degrees of airflow. It has 4-speed mode. It is packed with 4,000 milliampere hours of battery, which can support up to 18 hours of cooling. Then another thing that I like about it is that it's quiet. The design is ergonomic and it's sweat-proof, and of course, it's kind of lightweight. Now, one of the things that I like about this one is that it's sweat proof. This doesn't stay, the sweat doesn't stay on this one, and it quickly just either drip down all the way, or it just simply evaporates. And did you know, guys, that this one is made out of recyclable material, meaning it's really environmentally friendly. There's only two colors for you to choose from. Either go for the space gray or earth brown. I think the space gray looks better. And I think the space gray looks better. Whew, it's really hot. Just came off from a quick jog and I get all sweaty. But of course, I need to quickly cool down. So I have here on my neck, you can see the JISULIFE cooling fan. And it's a neck fan that effectively cools me off, especially when I'm on the go. I really need to cool it down pretty fast to be able to move on to my next activity. Thanks to JISU fan. Now, one thing for sure is that this one is pretty lightweight, wherein, of course, you don't want to put a lot of stress on your shoulders over here. So yeah, the moment you put it here on your neck, it's as comfy as possible. Now, I've tried to use this one outdoors. Of course, outdoors pretty hot. Inside the house or inside the office, normally we turn on the air conditioning, but outdoors, it's just simply hot. So I bring this to, of course, some light jogging. So I was jogging together with this one. So the lightweightedness of this product is definitely helping, since when you're jogging, it's kind of hot. And this product from JISULIFE really made my life a lot easier, and it's giving me a lot of comfort, since this one, the panel at the back, the aluminum panel here, kind of gives me some chilling effect. So it's a little bit cold, but at the same time, it's helping my neck dissipate some heat. So it absorbs some heat over from my neck and, well, dispel it from the back, which is definitely helping me cool down a lot faster than, of course, fan like this and fan like this. There's something that I don't like about fans like this. It's portable, yes, I know. When it blows the wind to your face, the sensation is also good enough. But there's something that I never like about this fan. It's because whenever it blows to my nose, the dust, the virus, everything will enter my nose. And it's, of course, close contact. And the fast wind going inside my nose, it will make you sneeze. And probably the next thing you'll know, that people are looking at you thinking that you might have contacted the COVID-19 virus, which of course you don't want it to happen. Now, the good thing about this bladeless neck fan is it only blows to your neck, only here, and it blows somewhere around here, giving you the sensation, which of course it dissipates upward and probably giving you some chilly feeling over here. Now, did you know that your neck is the nearest one to your brain? Whenever it sends some signal over to your brain saying that, hey, I'm a little bit more cooler, don't sweat too much, it will send some signal to the nerve saying that, okay, it's not really that hot anymore, so don't sweat that much. And it works all the time. So after you put it here, either go for a quick press on the power button, or you just simply press 2 seconds on the power button. It will give you the best performance ever to dispel the heat immediately. And I'll let you listen to the wind sound over here, and it's definitely quiet. So right now, listen to the sound. This is first mode. So this is the second mode. Let's try the third mode. It's pretty quiet here. So the fourth mode that I'll show you, it's the 2-second press on the power button, giving you the best possible performance. So listen to this one. For me here, it's pretty quiet, and I'm not sure if you can hear any sound coming from this bladeless fan over here on my neck. And right now, I can feel the wind is blowing over here at the back of my neck. It's giving me some cooling effect on the, of course, here. And it's really fun. I mean, and cooling never had been this fun. And I can say that this one, the JISULIFE Ultimate Bladeless Neck Fan, is something that you should purchase if, especially if your country is pretty hot, like the Philippines or other countries in Asia or around the world. It's just kind of hot. And if you are doing all those work outdoors, you don't stay indoors, this is something that you should invest. So if you want to know where you can buy this one, I'll be popping it on the description box below. It's from JISULIFE.com and it's on sale right now. If I'm correct, it's just running at $39. It's a saving from $59. It's really affordable. And so if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. And so, I'm Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?